There are a number of ways to make a new service call in CYA. The simplest is to go to New Service in the Service menu. From the mobile, New Service is always available from the menu in the upper right-hand corner. You can also enter a service call while directly looking at an asset. From the Open Service tab, hit the plus service button and a new call will be created that already has filled in the details of the asset and the location where it's assigned. You have the same functionality in the asset record on the mobile by clicking on the wrench to open service and then the plus service button to add a call. There's also a special way to add multiple service calls from the web application by selecting multiple assets at the same time from the asset list and then selecting the Add Service button. The pop-up menu will give you a drop-down to select pre-made builder services that can be applied to all of those assets. So now, to illustrate how to make a new service call, let's display the web and the mobile side by side so you can see how to do the same thing in both places. A new blank service call looks like this. The first and most important field you address is the service field. Clicking it presents you with a drop-down of all the calls that you've set up in the builder. Selecting one automatically fills in all of the blue builder fields. If the call you want to make isn't listed on the drop-down from the builder, you can add one on the fly. On the web, just type the name you want. On the mobile, click Create New Service and then type the name. The blue fields indicate the builder fields we mentioned earlier. When you save, the system will ask if you want a template of this call loaded to the builder for the next time. If this is just a one-time call, you can click No. If this is something you'll use again, click Yes and create a new builder item. So first, you pick the name of the service. Then you should focus on two other fields. The Service For field links that service with an asset or a location. When you click it, a drop-down of all your assets and locations will appear. You can scroll or search this list, and when you pick the thing or the place, the service will be connected to it. Note that the details of the asset and the location will automatically be copied into the service. The Assign To field links that service to a person on your team. Clicking it reveals a list of all your users who are authorized inside of that location. Selecting their name connects them to the call. After you've dealt with these three important fields, you can then modify anything else inside of the call. If you want, you can change the information that was filled in by the builder. There are also a number of fields that help you record information about the customer who reported the issue. When you're ready, you can click Save and the call will be formally added to the system. At this point, you can see that the call has been assigned a service number, has been given an in-process status, and the service wrench reflects the urgency that you've defined. This call has a green light, which will turn yellow in 150 days and red in 180. Once a call is created, it can be edited at any time by an authorized user. Its details can be modified or supplemented, and you can also add notes or attachments.